Hello children. Children, in the previous video we have started with the explanation of the poem Don't Throw the Seeds Away. And I have explained you 3 stanzas of this poem. 1, 2, 3. Now we will start with the 4th stanza. Let's start. Grow trees this easy way and it's fun too, I say. Now the poet is saying that grow trees this way, like planting the seeds in the soil, giving water and taking care of that plant every day by giving water to that plant, and this way slowly and steadily that plant will become a big tree. And if we will continue this process every time we are eating fruits, so there will be so many trees all around, and this will purify the environment also, and this will make the earth clean and green. And this way the poet is telling it's a way of enjoying also. You can enjoy planting the seeds and you will have fun also this way. So have a fruit every day, but remember, don't throw the seeds away. So here the poet is telling that every day you should eat fruits. Every day you should eat fruits because fruits make you strong, they keep you healthy and they give you energy. But here the poet again is reminding us, but remember, don't forget children, that don't throw the seeds away. You should not throw away the seeds. Rather, what should you do? You should plant those seeds in the soil so that those seeds could grow up into a new plant, and that plant will grow up into a big tree within few years. And again that tree will bear a fruit and we can enjoy the fruits of that tree. So this way the poet is telling every day you should eat fruits. In one way they will keep you healthy, they will give you energy, and in the other way you should plant the seeds of those fruits in the soil, and you can plant more and more trees in this way, and you will enjoy planting more and more trees. So children, this was all regarding the explanation of this poem. Now let's start with the exercises of this poem. So take out page number 39 of your English reader books. We will start with the comprehension exercise. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks to complete this flow chart. In the first box, the blank is already filled. Have a fruit, means you should eat a fruit every day. Then next is keep its seed. In this blank you will write seed, S-E-E-D, seed. In the next one you write plant the seed in the soil. In the first blank it will come seed, S-E-E-D, and in the second blank it will come S-O-I-L, soil. Then again we come here, pour a little dash over it, water. Then we will move to the left. Soon a dash will appear, young shoot, S-H-O-O-T, young shoot. Again we will move to the left. In time it will grow into a dash, big tree, big tree. Children, better write it in neat handwriting in your books. Now let's move on to question number B. Write true or false for these sentences. Number 1 is apples and oranges give you energy. Yes, this is true. So here write true. Second is guavas and papayas are unhealthy. This is false, because truths, as we have read in the poem and you already know that fruits give us energy and they keep us healthy. So this is false. Next is children cannot help to plant trees. This is again false. Obviously we can help. Next is planting trees will make our earth clean and green. This is true. And the last one is we should eat the seeds and throw away the fruit. This is false. We are not eating the seeds. We are eating the fruit. So this is false. Now let's move on to play with words exercise. Exercise C. Write the group names for these words. Use words from the box. Now children, you can see one box is given over here. In this box few words are written, and here below some words are written. We have to see those words, read those words, and we have to see that to which category do they belong. Number 1 is rose, lily, daisy, lotus. These are the names of flowers. So here you will write flowers. Flowers. Second is bus, cycle, ship, train. These are the names of vehicles. Vehicles. Third is sofa, table, bed, cupboard. These are the names of the furniture. Furniture. Next is number 4, mango, banana, pineapple, cherry. These are the names of the fruits. Fruits. And the last one is potato, onion, carrot, cabbage. These are the names of the vegetables. Vegetables. Now children, move on to the next page. On next page, we are going to start with question number D. You can write the answers here in the book itself. No need to write in the copies, write in the book itself. Make 3 similar words from each of these words. Now children, here few words are given, and from each word, like the word healthy is given, out of the word healthy, we have to make 3 words. So here are the 3 words. Eat, then heat, then heal. Here you can see E-A-T, heat, H-E-A-T, then heal, H-E-A-L, heal. So all these words are from this word healthy. Next is appear. The 3 words are pear, P-E-A-R, then R, A-R-E, and real. Sorry, reap, R-E-A-P, R-E-A-P, reap. Next, number 3 is forest. Rest, R-E-S-T, then off, O-F, then for, F-O-R. The last one is remember. Ember, E-M-B-E-R, then me, M-E, then member, M-E-M-B-E-R. Now let's move on to grammar fun exercise. Now in this grammar fun exercise, we are going to read about the articles. Now children, what are articles? Children, there are 3 kinds of articles, a, and, the. But in this grammar fun exercise, we are going to learn only about a and an. So I will tell you here about a and an. Now children, as you know that there are vowels and consonants in English. So A, the vowel A comes before consonants, and the vowel an comes before, the article A comes before consonants and the article an comes before vowels. Understood? The article A comes before consonants and the article an comes before vowels. Understood? Like I will give you an example. Orange. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So the words which start with vowels, whether A, E, I or O or U. So those words which begin with a vowel, before that an will come. And rest of the alphabets like B, C, D, F, G, H, J till Z, except the vowels, all those are consonants. So before the consonants, like the word bus, B is a consonant, before bus A will come. So as I told you, before consonants the article A comes and before vowels the article an comes. Now let's do the exercise. Question number E, which is given on page number 40. Fill in the blanks with A or an. Number 1 is orange is dash fruit. Like see, F is a consonant, so here A will come, is a fruit, as well as dash color. C is again a consonant, so here again A will come. Next is 60 minutes make dash R. R means here H is there. H is a consonant, so here A should come, but no, here an will come, because here the sound of vowel is there. R means a. The sound of a means A is coming. So it is a vowel sound, so here an will come. While 24 hours make dash day. D is a consonant, so here A will come. Number 3 is my mother would like to learn dash new language. New starts with the consonant, so here A will come. A new language. Number 4 is will you read me dash story. Story again begins with a consonant, so here A will come. Next is Miss Sain is dash American citizen. American, A is a vowel, so here an will come. And the last one is I have dash aunt who lives in dash old house in Patna. Dash aunt. Aunt, the word aunt begins with the vowel, so here an will come, and here again the word old begins with the vowel, so here again an will come. So children, I hope you all are clear with this exercise. I will show you exercises once again. Go through the exercises carefully and write it in very neat handwriting in your books. So this was all there regarding the explanation as well as the exercises of this poem. Thank you.